me. Just follow every move.
You paused it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lifeasvknowsit and I'm excited to be back with another video for you guys today. Today I have a cooking video. Before I even go into details about my video, what are you guys doing this isolation period? Because I am going nuts. I'm so bored out of my mind. Like, I can't take it anymore. So I wanted to experiment on my favorite Ghanaian dish, which is groundnut soup. Now, a lot of Ghanaians are going to laugh at me because, I mean, I probably can't cook this soup as well as I should, but I'm going to give you guys a run for your money. So if you guys want to know how to make groundnut soup, and if you guys are bored like me, let's get right into this video.
Making groundnut soup is fairly easy. What you need are ingredients that you have at home already. The basic ingredients that you would need are probably already stocked in your fridge. The first thing you need is chicken or your choice of protein, and then you need unsweetened peanuts, tomato, pepper, onions, you need tin tomatoes, you need ginger, garlic, some seasoning cubes, and of course salt. Very important that you wash your hands before you start cooking, especially considering our present situation with COVID going around the whole place. The next thing you want to do is just blend your ginger, garlic, onions. This is to be used to steam your chicken. I love putting ginger and garlic when I'm steaming my chicken because it just makes it extra flavorful.
I can't get you out of my mind. Oh baby, every curse like a new adventure, pulling me into the center close. So yeah, baby, I'm not playing around. I mean every little word. I can't get you out of my mind. Oh baby, every curse got me going crazy, can't control it.
While the chicken is steaming, you want to also steam your tomatoes, pepper, and onions to be put in later in the soup. So my unsweetened peanut butter is quite thick and I want to loosen it up a little bit. So that's the reason why I'm putting water in the peanut butter, to just loosen it up a bit. The next step is to add your tin tomatoes into your chicken, your steamed chicken, straight up. And you just want to stir it in and make sure that it doesn't burn, because tin tomatoes tend to burn quickly. As soon as your pepper and onions and tomatoes are done steaming, you just want to blend and keep aside.
Crazy, can't control it, can I see it all? Man.
The next step would be to add the unsweetened peanut butter in your soup. Now, the peanut butter gets burnt so quickly, so you need to make sure you are stirring constantly. As soon as you put it in there, you have to stir constantly. Keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring. Like my hands were hurting. Keep stirring. After it's boiled for a little while, you can now add your blended pepper, tomato, onions into the soup. Now all you have to do is add some water, and that's really based on your preference. I added about 2 cups of water into the soup, and that was it.
Watch me, just follow every move. Touch me, let me know you want it too. Don't have what you need.